There are a couple different ways to make ravioli. We're going to show you how to make ravioli using the ravioli tray. Now with the pasta machine, you're going to roll your thickness of dough out to about a 2.
Number 2 again.
You don't want it too thin because it's a filled pasta, and if it's too thin, if it's too thin, then your filling is going to leak out.
Then you place this about, you want to double the length, and then you have that, and then you push with.
You set your dough down. I'm going to push down to leave the indentation for the filling. Then you take your filling and you just put a little dollop in each little pocket. After you have your filling in, then you take your pasta, fold it back over, take your rolling pin, and you roll it right across. And that will do 2 things. That will seal your pasta, and it also cuts it. Since ravioli has a filling in it, then you have to cook it right away. You can't let it dry out like you would with normal pasta. Take your extra dough off. Cut it for noodles. You never want to throw that away. And then you just plop it in your pot.